Just as small upgrades add up to a major improvement for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, small refinements in design and execution make cases for the Z Fold 4 much better than the previous generation. Cases that protect the outer hinge are much more prevalent, and adhesives have been moved or upgraded to help avoid cases falling off and leaving your phone hanging, or worse, falling to the ground face first. From swanky cases that are as prestigious as they are productive to miniature tanks to protect these awesome Android phones, there is a case for every type of owner here. So please don't leave your foldable naked and afraid, but use the best Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases and give it the security it deserves. SUPCASE UB Pro for Galaxy Z Fold 4 is without a doubt the most protective Galaxy Z Fold 4 case you can buy today. The Unicorn Beetle Pro series has been known to survive freeways, rooftop falls, and some breathtaking examples of Murphy's Law, with up to 20-foot impact resistance and robust bumpers around the screens and cameras. Like the iBlazon Cosmo Pro, the UB Pro uses its rotating hinge cover as an S Pen slot, allowing it to be stored securely and away from the elements rather than stuck in an open slot like the Spyzen Slim Armor Pro. While this makes that hinge guard larger, the grip it creates on the back of the Fold 4 when the main display is open is larger and easier to grab. While several cases utilize this S Pen slot style, I especially dig SUPCASE putting a window in the middle. This allows you to see or feel the S Pen inside without having to open it up and see it inside. The window also serves as a push point when getting the pen out, meaning SUPCASE can make the grips that keep the pen in stronger so they'll last longer. Some other S Pen cases tend to wear out after a couple of months. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to catch your top-notch day-to-day commodities review.